Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Google Chat on phone. So here I've already on the Gmail apps on my phone, and to first enable the Google Chat, you need to go to the settings of your Gmail. So click on the three lines icon at the top left corner, scroll down until you find settings. Now click on the email account that you want to enable the Google Chat. So for example, I'm going to use this email and you'll be directed to the email setting. So just scroll down until you find the general section, and to enable the Google Chat, just click on this box right here until it's checked like this. Now Gmail will be restarting, and here at the bottom you'll see the chat icon, and this is the Google Chat menu. So what you need to do to start chatting with your friend, you can just click on new chat and find the email of that person. If you already have history chat like this, you can just click on one of the chat, and here just type in what you want to write in here and click on send here. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.